And they're off. Early lead is taken by Golden Empire. And on the outside is Windy Hour, Angatang Pinoy. And moving up on the inside is entry number 1, Purple Ribbon. And as they leave the straight, it's Golden Empire by 2.5 lengths, Angatang Pinoy. And Purple Ribbon moving up on the inside, Jahan on the outside, Eichel and Windy Hour. Into the backstretch, it's Golden Empire by 3.5 lengths. Jahan running in second. Eichel by the rail is entry number 3, Angatang Pinoy. And entry number 1, Purple. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Golden Empire by 3.5 lengths, followed by Eichel in second. Jahan moving up on the inside. Angatang Pinoy, and moving up on the outside is entry number 1, and that is Purple Ribbon. Rounding the pattern, still Golden Empire in the lead. It's Golden Empire by a length and a half, and Jahan closing in second. Eichel moving up on the farther outside in third, Angatang Pinoy, and here comes entry number 1, Purple Ribbon. The last bend for home, it is still Golden Empire by a length and a half, followed by Jahan in second, and Eichel, Angatang Pinoy moving up on the inside. On the farther outside is the favorite, Purple Ribbon. At the top of the stretch is Golden Empire. Jahan on the outside. On the farther outside is Eichel and Purple Ribbon. But it's still Golden Empire, Jahan, and Purple Ribbon now moving up on the outside. It's Golden Empire, Purple Ribbon on the outside, Jahan by the rail. And at the payoff line, it's going to be Golden Empire, Purple Ribbon, Jahan, Eichel, Windy Hour, Angatang Pinoy.